In this video, I'm going to show you why you should cut aluminum foil to pieces. Most of us have a pair of scissors lying around the house, and with consistent use, all scissors dull and lose their sharpness over time. It's common to sharpen your kitchen knives on a regular basis. Well, when is the last time you bothered to sharpen your scissors? Probably never. Sharp scissors cut cleanly and quickly, and restoring their sharpness is no more difficult than sharpening your kitchen knives. Did you know you can sharpen your scissors by cutting aluminum foil? Try this before buying a new pair. Unroll a piece of foil 8 to 12 inches in length, then fold it multiple times until it's at least 6 layers thick. Now cut the foil into 10 to 12 strips using full stroke cuts. The added layers of thickness help to sharpen the blade with every cut of foil. Afterwards, test the sharpness on a piece of scrap paper and cut more foil if necessary until the scissors cut quickly and cleanly. Finally, wipe the blades with a damp paper towel to get rid of any aluminum debris that may have clung to the scissors as you were cutting. 2 side notes. Number 1, you can do the same thing by cutting sandpaper as well. And number 2, the sharpening method I have discussed in this video will not work on scissors with extremely dull or damaged blades. Basically, there is a point of no return, but this technique will hone slightly dull blades. If you're wondering how to never smash your finger again with a hammer, click the video on the screen now, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.